day 3 in Port Blair and we are going to catch the ferry Sea Link, and it's 5 a.m. right now. Roads are empty, so we'll reach there by 5:20 or so. Ferry departs at 6 a.m. and we'll be in Havelock by 8 or 8:30. 2.5 घंटा लगेगा ना? 2.5 घंटा लगेगा. Less than 2 hours. Let's see how it turns out. It's 5:30 right now and we're waiting for our announcement so that we can go inside. So finally we are about to board into our ship. It's a ferry actually, and this is the port. This is Hardo है ना? Hardo jetty. So let's get in. Getting ferry tickets is one of the trickiest things of the trip. You have to plan your travel well in advance. Since internet here is very slow, booking online after reaching Andaman is almost impossible. For booking government ferries, booking is even more difficult as there is no provision for online booking. You have to get the ticket by yourself from the window, or you can ask someone to get it for you. So we are finally seated and this is business class, but there's nothing good about it because you cannot see anything. I wonder how this is going to be done. क्या है, बाहर का डेक पे जाना पड़ेगा यार. कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा बहुत. AC लगा है, कांच ड्रॉप होंगे. बेकार. This is the worst experience actually. This is a problem with private ferries actually. They make you sit like you're sitting in a bus and you cannot go to deck or something. So the ferry has started and lights have been turned off. Still cannot see anything outside because it's morning time. We cannot go to deck, we cannot go outside. So I'll suggest never book a private ferry. Government ferry would be the best. You can go on the top of the deck and see. You can watch it. The whole experience is spoiled. We just got off from that ferry and the experience was very bad. We could not see anything outside of the ferry. It was all dark windows. So I won't recommend anyone to sit in these private ferries because they won't let you sit on the deck. But anyways, bookings have been made, so we have to bear with them. But yeah, it's learning for next time and for you guys. We took 3 ferry rides in our whole trip. Experience of the other ferries will be in the coming videos.